The kit arrived, and that is this plastic piece here. This 3D. It's got grooves in it and fits right in there. And I got the belt and this plastic piece. All this stuff was mine. I had this from an old furniture. And what else? And then I did some modifications here. For some reason, this little bolt didn't line up. I've tried it like 10, 20 times, so luckily I had a very thin screw that fit right in there and tightened it up. This plastic piece also comes with the kit. And I'm going to show you real quick, just using the hand crank. Let's see. Oops. But this is not hooked up correctly yet. Let's see. See how that turns? I have to get epoxy glue to place that piece in there. I love it. It's quiet. Well, that's it.